Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am, sir. I am Jane Salazar. I am 39 years old. I am married and we have 3 children, ages 20, 13, and 10. I am Catholic religion.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
2 brothers only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what is your position in the family?
I am second in the family.
And are you a college graduate?
I am a college undergraduate, took up Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
How long you studied in college before?
2001 to 2002.
1 year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you an ex-abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
From what country?
Malaysia, ma'am.
How long you work in Malaysia?
2 years, ma'am.
3 years. So you finish your contract with them?
Yes, ma'am.
And how many members of the family did you serve here?
They are 5 members in the family consisting 1 couple, 1 kid, and 2 elderly.
How old the elderly when you work with them?
The grandmom is 72. The grandpa is 81 years old.
Are they both still healthy when you work with them?
Yes,
Okay. How about the child? How old the
9
child?
years old.
A boy or a girl?
Yes,
Boy,
boy, ma'am.
It's a boy. Okay. And how was your relationship with you and your employer before?
I have a good relationship with my employer, ma'am.
So what did you do as a helper in the house?
I do all my duties and responsibilities, ma'am, like cooking, washing cars, gardening, marketing, ironing, laundry, and took care of the kids.
How many car you need to car wash?
I wash 4 cars once a week, ma'am.
4 cars.
Yes,
Okay. And how many helpers in the house?
I am only the helper.
Do you have any day off before here?
Yes, ma'am.
What day?
Sunday.
This is weekly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And why did you not renew your contract with them?
Because I want to work also other country for my best.
So you went home
Yes,
last 2022,
2022.
but you didn't apply.
No, ma'am.
So you just rest here
Yes,
first,
yes,
and
ma'am.
then now you want to work in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
What's the reason you want to work in Hong Kong?
For my children's future, ma'am, and help also my husband, ma'am.
Okay, your family allows you to go abroad again.
Yes, ma'am.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will make myself busy, ma'am, and work also, pray and sing, like praise.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
If my employer wants also to work also with me, ma'am.
So as long your employer needs you, you will work with them.
Yes.
Are you afraid of any pet?
No, ma'am.
And do you have experience in looking for newly born baby
Yes, ma'am.
from your own kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you willing to look for a newly born baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
No, ma'am.
So you prefer to work alone?
Yes, ma'am.
And there's also a grandparents stay in the house. There's no problem with you.
Oh, it's okay, ma'am.
It's okay. Your day off will not fall on Sunday. You will be given only weekdays off. There's no
Yes.
problem.
No, ma'am.
There's no problem with that.
No, ma'am.
So there's a problem. If your day off will not fall on Sunday, you will be given only weekdays off. It's okay for you.
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay. And can you cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of Chinese food you can prepare?
Like steamed fish, ma'am, and sweet and sour fish and pork, ma'am.
So are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am. I want to learn.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
You love kids?
I love kids.
Okay, your future employer is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
I will promise, ma'am, that I will do all my duties and responsibilities. I love also their kids as my own, ma'am, and I will also promise that I will finish my contract. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, HL2010.